Well, the deadline is now fast approaching to get your tickets for the Split the Pot Lottery. It's the largest hospital-partnered fundraising initiative in this province, helping more than 50 hospital foundations. Teddy Wilson this morning is at Humber River Hospital in Keele and Wilson with more on splitting the pot. I was going to say, Teddy, I've never seen your hair like that. I realize you're all sort of scrubbed in, as it were.
I've got my scrubs. Thanks,
Yeah.
Nick and Janet. I'm wearing scrubs because, as you said, I'm here at Humber River Health, and I'm actually in an operating room. It's really, really cool to be here. And this facility is amazing. The staff are fantastic, and it is absolutely a world-class facility. And as you said, we're here to talk about the Split the Pot Lottery, and I'm joined by Sandra Swallam. She's president and CEO of Humber River Health Foundation. Sandra, this lottery is really kind of inventive, isn't it?
It's so exciting. We've partnered with 51 other hospitals across this province. It's actually the largest fundraising partnership in Ontario. The license is held by Grand River Hospital Foundation, and we're just so excited. It's such a great initiative that helps us support so many urgent needs in our hospitals, and we're just so pleased with the outcomes.
And you can go to splitthepot.ca. The deadline is this Thursday, March 21st at midnight or 11:59 p.m. And the Split the Pot Lottery, basically half goes toward funding healthcare and equipment in the province, and then the other half goes to 13 winners, right?
Absolutely. So the last jackpot was over $1 million. This current jackpot is sitting at over $824,000. And yeah, the 13 winners share that jackpot.
And it's growing, right?
Absolutely.
Why? We're going to check out some equipment, and we've got Dr. Rodriguez behind us. He's an orthopedic surgeon. But just really quickly, why is this initiative so important in terms of what you do here at the foundation and for healthcare in general in Ontario?
It helps us fund things that are not covered by government. So, for example, our ROSA knee system that Dr. Rodriguez will showcase is something that has been funded by our donors in the community.
That's amazing. So let's pop over. Dr. Rodriguez is an orthopedic surgeon here, and this is ROSA, right? Tell me a bit about what ROSA does.
So, good morning. ROSA is a robotically assisted surgical arm, and what that does is it allows us to do knee replacements in a new way. So when we do traditional knee replacements, we would replace the end of the femur and the tibia, which are your thigh bone and your shin bone, with metal and put plastic in between. A lot of these cuts for this were done manually with some manual guides, and only until recently have we had the benefit of robotically assisted surgery. What this does is it allows me to really customize the knee replacement for every single patient so that we know that they're getting what fits their knee and what balances their knee perfectly. So you can see here, I can evaluate their knee after putting trackers within the bone here. We register the robot, and then I can plan and customize their knee to the degree and to the millimeter. And what that does after is that when we need to make cuts for this, you know, we have the assistance of this robotic arm here. They can really help guide how we make these cuts. So you can see here, as the robot comes in here, it's robotically assisted. So the robot comes in at a predetermined angle and millimeter, but I can still control it. So even though it's robotically assisted, the surgeon is still in control of the actual surgery.
And doctor, this is incredible technology, and this is an example of the type of technology that's funded by initiatives like Split the Pot, right?
Absolutely. You know, without a foundation supporting us in these types of fundraising events, you know, we wouldn't be able to offer this to all our patients here at Humber River Hospital. Robotic technology has had a low penetrance in the Canadian market. Really, in the US, there's thousands of surgical robots, and in Canada, there's only a handful. And it's really through these initiatives that we've been able to fund these and offer this to everybody.
That's amazing. So this is the type of technology and equipment that is funded through this lottery. And Sandra, we'll just finish off with you. People can go to splitthepot.ca. The deadline is this Thursday, March 21st at 11:59 p.m. And it's basically like 10 tickets for $10, but then it even gets better in terms of value from there, right?
Absolutely. You can get 400 tickets for $60. The deadline is this Thursday. Go to www.splitthepot.ca to get your tickets.
That's amazing. So there you go. You could be one of the 13 grand prize winners. The pot is currently sitting at well over $800,000, and it's growing. So get your tickets at splitthepot.ca and help to fund healthcare in Ontario, including amazing equipment like ROSA and just some really, really incredible initiatives. Thanks so much for letting us be here today.